Yokasta Vale is set to go down against Maria Santizo. Yokasta Vale, well, the best ever Costa Rican female boxer, 28-0, the belt owner, and fighting out of San Jose, Costa Rica. She was born in Nicaragua, 5'4". She scored in decision win after decision win. Last destroyed Carlines Rivas in 2020, but she is winning. She's winning. Her cardio is excellent. She's got so many decision wins under her belt. Maria Santizo is a Guatemala boxer, 5'11", 5'1", 61.5 inches of reach out of Guatemala City. Well, she lost on Ortiz, Gabriela Fundoras, Iniesta Estrada, and I believe Yokasta might actually dominate this one. I believe the two are not at the same wavelength, and I kind of don't have a feeling this will go to decision. I think Vale might finish via some kind of a late stoppage, etc. I'm going to go with over 4.5. That's going to be my prediction. I'm going to say Yokasta Vale to win, potentially inside the distance.